Okay, for today's video, we're going to get papaya. Papaya and moringa leaves. Come on, let's go, Jen. Come on, Jen. Yeah, come. Come, Jen. I'll show you the papaya where. Yeah. We're going to get a papaya. I'm not sure where. Here. Which one? You're here. That one is bigger. Papaya for tinola. There it is. And there's some more over there. Yeah. Oh, Jane, what happened to you? There's some more. Where's the papaya? Where are some more? Here, there. Jane is going to get some papaya. No, just one. For tonight. Okay, we got it. And now we need moringa leaves. Where is it? Moringa. Where are you? Other bananas to harvest soon. Yeah. Here we go. Time for malunggay. Here it is. Malunggay tree. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we got it. Let's go. Let's go.